Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about BlueStacks, which it is a app that lets you install and use Android apps on a PC, and a replacement, of course, of the Android subsystem for Windows. So there's also something else that is usable if you like to play games only, pretty much. And it's Google that has its own app called Google Play Games. And one of the reasons we are talking about it again, because we did talk about it last year at some point. Now, they are actually doing some improvements that will, help a lot of the PC users that want to play games. One of the biggest problems with playing Android games, and this is, of course, the Google Play Games app, is the fact that most games are made for a form factor, which is a phone. And so they, will look like, a phone app when you use them on the screen. They don't do full screen for the most part. Google has announced today that more and more PC-friendly games will be coming to the Google Play Games, and this is to help those that want to have, real beautiful PC-like games on their Android app or their app to actually enjoy a better experience. So this is the app. What will also be the download if you want it. If I will share this page. This is the page for downloading the Google Play Games. It's still in beta, so that means that it's not yet official and perfect, but they are working on it, and it's something that maybe you would like to have. Well, check it out. Remember that this is just for games. It doesn't include, standard Android apps. You won't have your favorite apps like, a Facebook app, for example. This is really centered on games mostly. And if you, once again, want to have other Android apps, not just games, well, you can use BlueStacks, and there you'll be able to use pretty much any app that you want. So the link is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.